all, you open the MATLAB software. Here is the code for MATLAB logo designing. You can see it. I have divided this code in 8 different sections. Each section has its specifications. So let's deal with the code. In the first section, I use the membrane command to generate the surface data for the logo. So if we evaluate this section, you can see that in the workspace, the surface data for the logo is generated. Here is the view. So moving to our second section, in which we simply generate the figure and axis of the logo. Means we have generated 3 different axes along these limits and generate a figure. So if we run this section, you can see that 3 different axes and the figure is generated here. So moving to our third section, which deal with the camera properties of logo. I mean to say, to adjust the posture of logo in figure. I have defined these limits, so you can adjust your own. So if we run this section, then you can see the result that the camera posture of logo is looking very good. So if we move to our fourth section, which deal with the change of position of axis, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So we have defined these positions along different axes. So if we run this section, you can see the result. You can see the result that the logo is more defined and more vast to the axis, or you can say that it become more close to the axis. So moving to our next section, in which we create lights to illuminate the logo or to glow the logo. So we have defined style, color, light, position in this section. So run this section and we can see the result that the color of logo is changed in our desired aspect. So moving to our next section, in which we change the color of the logo in professional way, means the professional color of MATLAB logo. So if we run the section, you can see the result that the color of logo become professional. In the next section, we use backface lighting, diffuse strength properties and some reflection properties to make the logo more attractive. So if we run this section, you can see the result that there is reflection properties, there is diffusion properties, and the logo is looking very good. So moving to our final section, in which we close all axes or end all axes and define the background color black. So if we run the section, you can see the result that there is a professional logo for MATLAB software. So you can see that it looks very better. I hope you understand these steps and you try to make this logo in your own software. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for latest technological video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.